Hello and welcome to this Interstage XWand demo video. In today's demo we're going to have a look at the XWand Instance Dashboard. Now this is a dashboard that allows you to compare XBRL instances across a lot of different dimensions. So let's go have a look and see how you can use the XWand Instance Dashboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to load the Instance Dashboard from my XWand tool. So that's the one, the Instance Dashboard. It's going to load that, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select some instances for it to give me information about. Now it has the ability for me to add a particular file or to add a folder where I've got many instances of XBRL documents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a bunch, and I'm actually going to use this comparison folder where I've got several instances from multiple companies. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to merge the taxonomies of each instance. So XWand has gone through and identified all of the instances that are in there, and I'm going to compare them. So now it's going to load all the schema information and the instance information and then present that to me in a clear single view. Okay, so now XWand has loaded all of the information about all those instances, and now we see that what it's got on the left hand side is it's got all of the presentation link bases shown for all of these, and on the right hand side we see a window that's got lots of information on here. On the left hand side we see some of the information from the taxonomies, and on the right hand side we see information about the particular company and some of the context involved. So I can scroll over to the right and have a look at all the different companies that are currently being compared, so we can see all the results and all the numbers between these companies, and see it all in a single tool as a dashboard view. So we have this ability to do that, but we also have the ability to slice and dice the data in any way that we would like. So for example, if we wanted to view things by the identifier, by the company, then we can just switch it over, and now we see all the companies on the left hand side, and we see the fields on the right hand side, and the context as well. If we want, we can bring the context over on the left hand side as well, so we can slice and dice by that. And now we're seeing all the elements at the top, and the company and the context on the left hand side. So this kind of ability to move things around and slice and dice things is very, very powerful from the XWand Instance Dashboard. I can switch it over and transpose them as well, so I can move things back however I'd like to see them. And I can now go through and select other reports and have a look at the information that was provided for them. I have the ability to filter as well on this, so I can pick a single company that I want to have a look at the information about and say, alright, this is the info. I can select which periods I want to have a look for. So if I say, let's deselect all these and only show me one of these, I have the ability to get that kind of information in there. So you can slice and dice, you can actually filter on all the things that you'd like to, and be able to analyze multiple XBRL instance documents from the Interstage XWand Instance Dashboard.